Welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of blogging and how you can turn your passion into profit. Whether you want to share your expertise, tell your story, or build a business, blogging offers endless opportunities. In this video, we'll walk you through every step from setting up your blog to making real money online. If you've ever wondered how successful bloggers do it, or if you're just curious about where to start, you're in the right place. Let's begin this journey together and unlock the secrets of building a blog that not only attracts readers but also generates income. Blogging is more than just a hobby, it's a powerful platform for sharing ideas, building a community, and even earning a living. People start blogs for many reasons: to express themselves, to help others, or to create a side income. With the right approach, your blog can become a valuable asset. Plus, blogging gives you the freedom to work from anywhere and connect with people worldwide. If you're passionate about a topic, blogging is a fantastic way to turn that passion into something meaningful and potentially profitable. One of the first steps in starting a blog is choosing your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or area you'll focus on. It could be anything from travel, food, and finance to technology or personal development. Picking a niche helps you attract a dedicated audience and stand out from the crowd. Think about what you're passionate about and what you can offer that's unique. The best niches are those that combine your interests with topics people are searching for online. Understanding your audience is crucial for blogging success. Before you start writing, take some time to research who your readers are. What are their interests, problems, and questions? Use online forums, social media, and keyword research tools to gather insights. The better you know your audience, the more relevant and engaging your content will be. This step lays the foundation for building a loyal readership and creating content that truly resonates. Next, you'll need to choose a blogging platform. Popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. WordPress is the most widely used due to its flexibility and powerful features. Consider your technical skills, budget, and long-term goals when making your choice. Some platforms are free, while others require a small investment. The right platform will make it easier to design, manage, and grow your blog as you move forward. Your domain name is your blog's address on the internet. It should be memorable, easy to spell, and reflect your blog's topic. Take your time brainstorming ideas and check for availability using domain search tools. A good domain name helps build your brand and makes it easier for readers to find you. Once you've chosen a name, register it through a reputable provider to secure your online identity. Web hosting is where your blog lives online. Reliable hosting ensures your site loads quickly and stays secure. There are many hosting providers to choose from, such as Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. Look for features like uptime guarantees, customer support, and scalability. Investing in quality hosting is essential for a smooth blogging experience and helps build trust with your readers. A visually appealing blog attracts visitors and keeps them engaged. Choose a clean, professional theme that matches your brand. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to create a unique look. Make sure your blog is easy to navigate and mobile-friendly, as many readers will visit from their phones. Good design not only makes your blog look great but also improves the user experience. Every successful blog includes a few essential pages: about, contact, and privacy policy. The About page tells your story and builds trust with readers. The Contact page makes it easy for people to reach you, while the privacy policy is important for legal reasons. Setting up these pages early on helps establish credibility and professionalism from the start. Content is the heart of your blog. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable posts that solve problems or answer questions for your readers. Use clear language, engaging headlines, and helpful visuals. Consistency is key. Set a publishing schedule you can stick to, whether that's once a week or twice a month. Over time, great content will help you build authority and attract loyal followers. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your blog get found on Google and other search engines. Learn the basics, like using keywords, optimizing titles, and writing meta descriptions. Good SEO practices increase your chances of ranking higher in search results, bringing more visitors to your blog. Don't worry if it sounds technical. Start with the fundamentals and build your skills over time. Keyword research is the process of finding the words and phrases people use to search for information online. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to discover popular topics in your niche. Targeting the right keywords helps your blog posts reach a wider audience and drives organic traffic. Focus on a mix of high traffic and low competition keywords for the best results. Your headline is the first thing readers see, so make it count. A great headline grabs attention and encourages clicks. Use numbers, questions, or power words to make your titles stand out. Test different headline styles to see what resonates with your audience. Remember, a compelling headline can make the difference between a post that gets read and one that gets ignored. Images, infographics, and videos make your blog posts more engaging and easier to understand. Visuals break up long blocks of text and help illustrate your points. Use high-quality, relevant images and always credit the source if necessary. Tools like Canva make it easy to create custom graphics for your blog. Remember, a visually appealing post keeps readers coming back for more. An email list is one of the most valuable assets for any blogger. It allows you to connect directly with your readers and promote your latest content or products. Offer a freebie like an ebook or checklist to encourage signups. Use email marketing tools to manage your list and send regular updates. Over time, your email list can become a powerful driver of traffic and income. Promotion is key to growing your blog's audience. Share your posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Join online communities related to your niche and participate in discussions. Collaborate with other bloggers for guest posts or interviews. The more you promote your blog, the more people will discover your content and become regular readers. Building relationships with other bloggers can open up new opportunities for growth. Attend blogging events, join online forums, and reach out to bloggers in your niche. Networking can lead to guest posting, collaborations, and valuable advice. Remember, the blogging community is supportive, and connecting with others can help you learn and grow faster. Now let's talk about making money from your blog. There are several ways to monetize, including advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products, and offering services. The best approach depends on your niche and audience. It's important to build trust and provide value before focusing on income. With patience and persistence, your blog can become a reliable source of revenue. One of the most common ways to earn money from blogging is through advertising. Programs like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your blog and earn money when visitors click or view them. As your traffic grows, so does your ad revenue. Remember, ads work best when they don't disrupt the reader experience, so place them thoughtfully within your content. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and recommend products you genuinely believe in. Write honest reviews and include your affiliate links in relevant posts. Over time, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. As your blog grows, brands may approach you for sponsored posts. These are paid articles where you review or mention a product or service. Always disclose sponsored content to maintain transparency with your audience. Choose sponsorships that align with your values and provide value to your readers. Sponsored content can be a lucrative way to monetize your influence. Digital products like ebooks, courses, and printables are popular ways to make money from your blog. Create resources that solve specific problems for your audience. Use your blog to promote your products and set up an online store or sales page. Digital products have low overhead and can generate income around the clock. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider offering services through your blog. This could include consulting, coaching, freelance writing, or design. Use your blog to showcase your skills and attract clients. Services can provide immediate income and help you build a reputation in your field. Monitoring your blog's performance is essential for growth. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, user behavior, and popular content. Analyze your data regularly to see what's working and where you can improve. Setting goals and measuring progress helps you stay motivated and make informed decisions. A positive user experience keeps readers coming back. Make sure your blog loads quickly, is easy to navigate, and works well on all devices. Use clear menus, readable fonts, and logical layouts. Listen to feedback and make improvements as needed. Happy readers are more likely to share your content and become loyal followers. Engage with your readers by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, or creating a Facebook group. Building a community around your blog fosters loyalty and encourages repeat visits. When readers feel connected, they're more likely to share your content and support your monetization efforts. Negative feedback is inevitable, but it's also an opportunity to learn and improve. Respond professionally and consider constructive criticism. Use feedback to refine your content and address reader concerns. Maintaining a positive attitude helps you grow as a blogger and build a stronger community. Consistency is key to long-term blogging success. Set a realistic publishing schedule and stick to it. Consistent posting keeps your audience engaged and signals to search engines that your blog is active. Even if you can only post once a month, regular updates are better than sporadic bursts of activity. Analytics provide valuable insights into your blog's performance. Track which posts are most popular, where your traffic comes from, and how readers interact with your site. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on what works best. The more you learn from your analytics, the faster your blog will grow. As your blog grows, look for ways to scale your efforts. This might include hiring freelance writers, investing in better tools, or expanding into new topics. Scaling allows you to reach a larger audience and increase your income potential. Always focus on maintaining quality as you grow. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Diversify by combining ads, affiliate marketing, digital products, and services. This approach provides stability and maximizes your earning potential. Experiment with different monetization methods to see what works best for your blog and audience. Blogging comes with legal responsibilities. Make sure to include disclaimers, privacy policies, and disclosures for sponsored or affiliate content. Respect copyright laws when using images or other materials. Staying compliant protects you and builds trust with your audience. Security is vital for any website. Use strong passwords, keep your software updated, and install security plugins. Regular backups ensure you can recover your blog if anything goes wrong. Taking these steps helps safeguard your hard work and keeps your readers' information safe. Blogging can be demanding and burnout is common. Take breaks, set boundaries, and remember why you started. Focus on topics you enjoy and don't be afraid to ask for help. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance keeps you motivated and ensures long-term success. Inspiration can come from anywhere: books, podcasts, conversations, or even your own experiences. Keep a list of ideas and revisit it when you need motivation. Surround yourself with positive influences and continue learning. Staying inspired helps you create fresh, engaging content for your readers. Every blogger makes mistakes, especially in the beginning. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, make adjustments, and keep moving forward. The most successful bloggers are those who learn and adapt over time. Take time to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Whether it's reaching your first 100 subscribers or publishing your 50th post, acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated. Share your milestones with your audience. They'll celebrate with you and feel more connected to your journey. As your blog grows, consider investing in better tools, courses, or professional services. Upgrading your hosting, design, or marketing can pay off in the long run. Treat your blog as a business and reinvest profits to fuel further growth and success. The blogging world is always evolving. Stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and best practices by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and joining online communities. Continuous learning keeps your blog competitive and ensures you're always offering value to your readers. Change is inevitable in the digital world. Algorithms, trends, and reader preferences can shift quickly. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your strategy as needed. Embracing change helps you stay ahead and continue growing your blog no matter what challenges arise. Balancing blogging with other responsibilities is important for your well-being. Set boundaries, prioritize tasks, and make time for rest. A healthy work-life balance keeps you energized and prevents burnout, allowing you to enjoy the blogging journey for years to come. As your blog grows, consider ways to give back to your community. Share your knowledge, support other bloggers, or donate a portion of your earnings to causes you care about. Giving back not only feels good but also strengthens your connection with your audience. Think long-term about your blogging goals. Where do you want your blog to be in 1, 3, or 5 years? Set clear objectives and create a roadmap for achieving them. Planning for the future keeps you focused and motivated even when challenges arise. We've covered everything from starting your blog to making money and growing your audience. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep learning, and enjoy the process. Take the first step today and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Your blogging journey is just beginning and the possibilities are endless. Blogging is a journey filled with learning, creativity, and opportunity. Every successful blogger started with a single post and a desire to share something meaningful. Stay true to your voice, keep experimenting, and never stop growing. Your blog has the potential to inspire, educate, and even change lives, including your own. Good luck on your blogging adventure.